Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this rear support bracket. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same. So I will close this file and create a new file. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures, you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on an equal interval of a time once the new features came. And once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So here I have created a new file, and I will only on my origin planes, and I will check my units because these dimensions are in inches. So here I have selected US customary inch and pound. Click on apply, and now we will select this front plane and click on the sketch. Go to the model tab and hide the plane, and here first we will create this profile. So I will use the polyline tool to create a approximate profile. Just draw the profile, and then we will remove the conflict. And now deactivate it, and now we will add the horizontal and vertical relation. This is the vertical, and this is the horizontal, and this is also horizontal. Now give the dimension, select horizontal line, select this point and this point, and add the dimension of 1.75 inch. From this point to this point, add a horizontal dimension of 1.62 inch. Now I will move it to the inside, this also, and now we will create one horizontal line which will represent this center axis. So we will click on line tool and create a line, and we will make it construction and select this point and this point, add a vertical dimension of 0.88 inch, and from this point to this point vertical dimension of 2.185 inch, and this one will be the 0.38, and select this point and this point and add the dimension of 2.13 inch, and select this line and add a vertical dimension of 0.38, and now select this horizontal line and add a dimension of 0.34 inch, and move the dimension, move it, select this point and add a horizontal dimension, and select this and this and made it equal. So our profile is fully constrained. We will come out of the sketch and we will extrude it to the 1.5 inch, select and give 1.5 inch and keep it symmetric to the plane. Click on OK. Now we will create the cut profile here at this area. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will switch to the isometric, click on project geometry and project this horizontal and vertical, and we will select a 3-point arc, create a 3-point arc and select this and this and add a tangent, select this and this axis and add a coincidence, and here we will select diameter and add a diameter of 0.75 inch, and we will select a line tool, create a line and close the profile, and then we will select the conflict and deactivate it, and here we will add tangency, and from this point to this point vertical dimension is of 0.38. So this is our fully constrained profile, and we will close it, select the sketch and click on extrude cut, select up to face and select this inside face and click on OK. Now switch to the isometric. Now here we will on our origin plane, and we will select the pocket and click on the mirror, and here we will select the reference and we will select this mid plane and click on OK. Now we will off the origin plane, so we can see that our cut has been mirrored on the other side. Now let's move to the next feature, which is create this boss. So we will select the face and create a sketch, switch to the isometric, click on project geometry and project this and switch to the right plane and select circle and create a circle, click on close, say extrude and extrude it to the 0.12 inch, click on OK. Now we will create this rib, or we can say plate type feature. So this comes on our mid plane, so we will select the mid plane and click on the sketch, and we will hide our origin plane, and from here we will switch to the wireframe. We will click on the project geometry and project this edge. Now select the line tool and create a line, and now we will select a line and join this, and from here click on the fillet and give the fillet of 0.5. So select the radius and give it 0.5 inch, and select this point and add a vertical dimension of 0.88 inch, and here we will select this and this and add a vertical relation. Our sketch is fully constrained. We will come out of it, press V7 for shaded view, and we will select the sketch, click on extrude, and here thickness is of 0.38 inch, and we will keep it symmetric to the plane. Now we will create this boss. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select the circle, create a circle, and we will add the material of 0.18 inch. Now click on OK. So here this and this seems to be a separate solid, so we will refine the shape, refine, set it true, and now we will mirror this pad on the other side. So we will click on the mirror, and from here select reference and select this mid plane, and we will also refine this mirror. So click on mirror, refine, set it true. Now we will move to the next feature, which is to create a hole. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, rotate it, click on project geometry, and here we will create a circle of 0.438. So select diameter and provide 0.438, click on close, select extrude cut, select to face and select the back face, click on OK, switch to the isometric. Now we will move to the next feature, which is to add this fillet, and then we will add this hole. So here is a fillet is a 0.5 R. So we will select this edge by pressing the control key, and we will select this edge and click on the fillet, and here we will give the 0.5 inch symbol, click on OK. Now press 0 for isometric, and we will create these two holes on this face. So we have selected the face, and we will click on the sketch, and we will switch to the isometric, switch to the right plane, and here we will switch to the wireframe, and we will create a two circle on this axis. Select the circle, and now we will select this and this and add it equal. Select one of the circle and add a diameter of 0.465, and now we will rotate our model, switch to the shaded view, and here we will project this edge, and now we will switch to the right view and switch to the wireframe. Select this and add a vertical dimension 0.88, and from this center to this center is of 0.75. Click on close, press V7 for shaded, and select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and here we will say it true all, say OK. Now we will create a hole here. So we will press 0 for isometric view and select the face, click on the sketch, click on project geometry and project it, and create a circle, and this is of diameter 0.625. Click on close and say extrude cut, and from here say true all, say OK. So this is how we have converted this rear support bracket into the 3D model. Here is a common fillet of a point R to R which you can provide to the model. So this is all about this tutorial, how to make a rear support bracket in a FreeCAD, and in this tutorial all dimensions were in inches. So we have also learned how to set the unit and model a part in inch dimensions. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.